Today, the Bank of Canada cut its target overnight lending rate by 50 basis points to 3.75%. This is the lowest that this target benchmark rate has been since 2022, and it will usher in a new era of rate relief for Canadians. This is the fourth consecutive rate cut from the Bank of Canada this year, following decreases in June, July, and September. Prior to this benchmark rate had remained at 5% since July 2023. Today's rate cut was sealed by the most recent inflation numbers, which showed year-over-year growth had slowed to 1.6% in September. This is below the Bank of Canada's target range of 2%, and it opens the door to an additional 50 basis point rate cut in December. Because inflation is currently below the Bank of Canada's 2% target, that could indicate that the economy is softening at too quick a pace. To counter this, the bank made a larger than usual interest rate cut today. If you have a variable mortgage rate, you can expect your monthly payment, or the portion of that payment that services interest costs, to lower in kind with today's announcement. Those who have borrowing products such as HELOCs will also be impacted by today's rate cut. Fixed mortgage rates don't take their direction from the Bank of Canada's rate announcements, but their pricing is based on bond yields, which can be quite reactive to central bank moves. The bond market had already priced in today's 50 basis point cut, but should we see bond yields move lower, that could put downward pressure on fixed mortgage rates in the weeks to come. If you're a mortgage holder who's coming up for renewal, the fact that rates are starting to trend lower is great news. It can be a great idea to take out a rate hold for up to 120 days so you can explore all of your options for the next couple of months. However, as rates are expected to decline for an additional 50 basis points this year, some borrowers might want to explore options such as taking out a variable mortgage rate now and locking into a fixed mortgage rate at a later time. As always, it's a great idea to work with a mortgage professional, such as a mortgage broker, to help you determine your mortgage rate strategy when rates are on the move.